I'm making a bold statement today. I'm photographing one of the world's most beautiful churches, in my humble opinion. Welcome back to the channel, a channel that is all about street photography. I've brought my Sigma art lens 24mm 1.4 for this short POV. The church is called Grundtvigskirke and is located in the northwestern part of Copenhagen. Alright, let's get into the settings. So I'm in manual mode. The ISO is going to be between 100 and 1600. The aperture is going to be the lowest, which is 1.4, and all the way up to 5.6. The shutter is going to be 1/50th to 1/250th, and the white balance is going to be on auto. The most important settings today will be the ISO and aperture. ISO because I don't know how much light there will be inside the church, and the aperture is how sharp I want the shots to be. From a composition perspective, I want to capture as much as possible of the scene. The Sigma 24mm 1.4 lens is the ideal lens for this kind of photography. It's wide enough to capture the entire scene and not introduce weird distortion, as you see with other wide-angle lenses. It's always a good idea to take detail shots. For example, in this church there are a lot of details and it would make a great addition to the atmosphere and the set. Another good reason for taking detail shots is to practice and also train the eye.